Well, President Xi, I'm really glad to be able to see you again in person. You and I have had a number of candid and useful conversations over the years, and as you know, I'm committed to keeping the lines of communications open between you and me personally, but our governments across the board. As the leaders of our two nations, we share a responsibility, in my view, to show that China and the United States can manage our differences, prevent competition from becoming anything ever near conflict, and to find ways to work together on urgent global issues that require our mutual cooperation. And I believe this is critical for the sake of our two countries and the international community. So, President Xi, I look forward to our continuing and ongoing open and honest dialogue we've always had, and I thank you for the opportunity.